Get ready to test your brain power on some of the cool tools and amazing technology we use every day. What is this tool used to hit nails into wood? Is it A, screwdriver, B, wrench, or C, hammer? It's C, hammer! Hammers drive nails into wood. What is this computer device named after a little animal? Is it A, mouse, B, rabbit, or C, hamster? It's A, mouse! It looks like a real rodent. Which tool is used to turn screws? Is it A, pliers, B, screwdriver, or C, saw? It's B, screwdriver. It tightens or loosens screws. What do you wear on your ears to listen to music privately? Is it A, microphone, B, headphones, or C, speaker? It's B, headphones. They let you listen privately. What everyday tool is used to cut paper? Is it A, scissors, B, stapler, or C, ruler? It's A, scissors. They easily slice through paper. What pocket-sized device can make calls, take photos, and browse the web? Is it A, tablet, B, smartphone, or C, calculator? It's B, smartphone. It is a pocket computer. What flexible tool is used to measure the length of objects? Is it A, ruler, B, compass, or C, tape measure? It's C, tape measure. It bends around corners. What small object stores electrical energy to power toys and remotes? Is it A, battery, B, magnet, or C, bulb? It's A, battery. It powers cordless electronics. What tool is used to apply paint to a canvas or wall? Is it A, pencil, B, paintbrush, or C, sponge? It's B, paintbrush. It sweeps paint onto surfaces. What device has keys with letters and numbers used to type on a computer? Is it A, keyboard, B, monitor, or C, mousepad? It's A, keyboard. It lets you type text. What tool uses a special lens to make tiny objects look much bigger? Is it A, prism, B, telescope, or C, magnifying glass? It's C, magnifying glass. It enlarges small objects. What high-tech machine builds solid, three-dimensional objects layer by layer? Is it A, laser cutter, B, 3D printer, or C, paper printer? It's B, 3D printer. It prints physical items. What tool uses a little bubble in liquid to check if a surface is perfectly flat? Is it A, level, B, plumb bob, or C, caliper? It's A, level. The bubble shows if it's flat. What device sends wireless internet signals to all the devices in your home? Is it A, modem, B, router, or C, switch? It's B, router. It broadcasts Wi-Fi signals. What L-shaped tool is used to turn bolts with six-sided hexagonal sockets? Is it A, Allen wrench, B, monkey wrench, or C, socket wrench? It's A, Allen wrench. It fits hexagonal sockets. What wearable technology can track your heart rate, count your steps, and tell the time? Is it A, fitness band, B, smartwatch, or C, digital watch? It's B, smartwatch. It monitors your daily health. What scientific tool is used to look at cells and tiny bacteria? Is it A, telescope, B, microscope, or C, periscope? It's B, microscope. It reveals invisible details. What technology turns sunlight directly into electricity? Is it A, solar panel, B, wind turbine, or C, generator? It's A, solar panel. It converts light into electricity. Which hand tool is designed to hold, grip, or bend metal wires? Is it A, tweezers, B, pliers, or C, clamps? It's B, pliers. They grip and bend wire. What optical device reads black and white lines at the supermarket checkout? Is it A, barcode scanner, B, hologram projector, or C, camera reader? It's A, barcode scanner. It decodes product barcodes. What high-precision tool is used to measure the exact thickness or inner width of an object? Is it A, micrometer, B, caliper, or C, ruler? It's B, caliper. It captures precise measurements. What device uses a spinning wheel to maintain balance and detect changes in orientation? Is it A, gyroscope, B, accelerometer, or C, pendulum? It's A, gyroscope. It helps maintain balance. What heated hand tool melts a soft metal alloy to join electronic components together? Is it A, heat gun, B, soldering iron, or C, glue gun? It's B, soldering iron. It melts metal solder. What is the main green circuit board inside a computer that connects all the vital components? Is it A, motherboard, B, hard drive, or C, power supply? It's A, motherboard. It links all computer parts. What heavy metal bar has a curved end designed to pry open crates or pull out nails? Is it A, chisel, B, crowbar, or C, sledgehammer? It's B, crowbar. It uses leverage to pry. What wireless technology uses tiny microchips to track items or let you tap to pay with a card? Is it A, Bluetooth, B, RFID, or C, infrared? It's B, RFID. It tracks items wirelessly. What pointed weight hanging from a string is used to find a perfectly vertical line? Is it A, plumb bob, B, pendulum weight, or C, sinker? It's A, plumb bob. Gravity makes it vertical. What kind of cables use thin strands of glass to transmit data using light? Is it A, coaxial cables, B, fiber optic cables, or C, copper wires? It's B, fiber optic cables. They send high-speed data. What woodworking tool is used to shave thin layers of wood off a board to make it smooth? Is it A, hand plane, B, file, or C, rasp? It's A, hand plane. It shaves wood smooth. What tiny sensor inside your smartphone detects when you tilt the screen from portrait to landscape? Is it A, altimeter, B, gyroscope, or C, accelerometer? It's C, accelerometer. It detects screen tilt. What ultra-precise measuring tool uses a calibrated screw to measure tiny distances down to the micrometer? Is it A, micrometer, B, vernier caliper, or C, dial indicator? It's A, micrometer. It measures tiny distances. What modern storage device uses flash memory instead of spinning platters to read data instantly? Is it A, hard disk drive, B, solid-state drive, or C, RAM stick? It's B, solid-state drive. It reads data instantly. What heavy-duty clamp is named after a letter of the alphabet and is used to hold wood or metal together? Is it A, F clamp, B, C clamp, or C, T clamp? It's B, C clamp. It resembles a letter C. What emerging wireless technology transmits high-speed internet data using LED light bulbs instead of radio waves? Is it A, Li-Fi, B, Wi-Fi 6, or C, NFC? It's A, Li-Fi. It transmits data through light. What specialized C-shaped handsaw uses a thin, flexible blade to cut intricate, curved shapes in wood? Is it A, hacksaw, B, coping saw, or C, fret saw? It's B, coping saw. It cuts delicate curves. What scientific phenomenon generates electrical energy in materials like quartz when mechanical pressure is applied? Is it A, thermoelectricity, B, piezoelectricity, or C, electromagnetism? It's B, piezoelectricity. Pressure generates voltage. What clock face testing instrument is used to measure extremely small distances or the flatness of a rotating shaft? Is it A, dial indicator, B, pressure gauge, or C, barometer? It's A, dial indicator. It measures tiny deviations. What microscopic semiconductor nanocrystals are used in modern TV screens to produce incredibly vibrant colors? Is it A, OLED emitters, B, quantum dots, or C, liquid crystals? It's B, quantum dots. They glow with precision. What two-handed woodworking tool is pulled toward the user to shave bark or shape rustic wooden logs? Is it A, draw knife, B, spoke shave, or C, adze? It's A, draw knife. It shaves wood efficiently. What solid-state thermoelectric component transfers heat from one side to the other when electricity runs through it? Is it A, heat pipe, B, Peltier device, or C, radiator? It's B, Peltier device. It transfers heat electrically. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.